Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Friday, November 1st, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Pythons, can you believe that it's already November 1st?
Guys, guess what? I counted how much candy I got, and I got 2 pieces of Laffy Taffy.
Sucks for you. Well, I got 700 pieces of candy. How much did you get, Pythons? Now here are your daily announcements. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make the school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow morning news and updates. Have a great day. Go Python!